Okay, so I want to make a old Pepsi sign, old school Pepsi sign. This is just copied off the internet. I printed it out on sheets of paper, regular household printer. I used Excel. You can put a image in Excel and it will automatically break it up into the tile for all the smaller panels very quickly. So this is one way of doing that, but I want to be able to do this with a pounce machine. So I'm going to show how to turn around and pounce this image. So I'm going to start right here, and you can see the little bit of spark. There, I didn't use the pedal properly, but that's an interesting thing. I've never done that before. I've never tried it though. That's what happens when it burns through cellophane tape. It was just a little different than going through just plain old paper, I suppose. Just make sure your pounce machine is grounded. I say that all the time. It is so important to be grounded. The ground plate underneath the machine is a piece of steel that I'm using, but you can use aluminum, you can use just about any metal. Metal available at Tractor Supply, metal available at Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you can get just pieces of flat sheet metal. So, all right, so I just now did the P. I'm gonna go ahead and continue on the rest of the machine, the rest of the sign, and then we'll show how to convert it over and pounce it onto a flat surface. With the pounced paper being held in place, I'm actually just using magnets, going over it with fine charcoal. All right, now at this point, I've gone over everything with the fine charcoal just to cover all the pounce holes. Then come back, go over everything with a fine rag and just rub it in. This takes the powder and thins it out a little bit more, but also helps to press it through the holes and get a good adhesion onto the surface below. Now you can see I've rubbed through all of the charcoal through all the holes. It looks like a big smeared mess. But the trick is when you peel up, you get a nice faint little line to follow to start doing actual hand striping. Not bad. Let's look at the whole part real quick. You can see the pounce holes came through plenty enough follow with a traditional pinstriping sword. Now I do want to show you something here. I've got a new item that's going to be available for the P4 Pounce machines, and that's the foot pedal here. The foot pedal allows you to turn the machine on, and I'll show you what that does. So let's start right here on a blank section here. I'm going to turn it on like it would be today, where it's on all the time. And if you come in very quickly to your surface, it's not a big deal. You can then drag around and make an image and pull it away. But if you come in slow, you want to be precise on something, it ends up doing that. And when you do that, and then if you pull away, you get this burn in right here where it's a scatter and everything. So the whole point of the foot pedal is instead I'm going to go ahead and lay it on here with no electricity to it. And then I can just press the foot pedal. I can then release the foot pedal and I get absolutely no burn in on either end at all. So it's just an extra feature. I'm going to have this available for the Pounce machines that are for sale. But it's just one extra thing that it makes it a little easier to use. Thank you.